In the introduction, we're looking for 4 or 5 different sounds to start the song off with. And they will be put into 5 categories. Beats, bass, keyboard, synths and guitar, melodies and tunes, and effects. Okay, so I found one I like. So what I need to do now is hold down the mouse and drag it in up here where it says drop a loop or an audio MIDI file. So I'm going to put it right over here. And it's not quite at the beginning, so I'm going to push it to start at bar 1. And I can see this is 4 bars long. And up here on the transport controls, I'm going to press play. Okay, I'm happy with that. And so what I'm going to do is copy it or make it longer, because the introduction is 16 bars long. And so if I go to the top right hand corner, that little hand changes to an arrow, and I'm going to drag this to bar number 17. That sounds a little bit confusing because it's 16 bars long, but if we count the number of bars, we'll see that this is in fact 16 bars long. It starts at 1 and it ends at 17. And you can see where I've copied this or dragged it because the color has faded slightly, which shows me that I've copied this first sample, this first loop for 16 bars. So now what I'm looking for is another track that will go with this Dream synth pad. So maybe I should try a Dream bass. That's quite nice. Let's try the Dream beat. That's good. I like that Dream guitar, so I'm going to hold down the mouse and drag it in and drop. It doesn't really matter where I drop it because I am going to move it. But instead of starting from the beginning, I'm going to start 4 bars in so that the Dream synth plays on its own for 4 bars, and then this new Dream guitar starts playing, and that comes in at bar 5. And I want to copy it to bar 17, and so what I'm going to do is go up to this top right hand corner until I see the little hand change to the arrow, hold down the mouse and drag it to end at 17. So let's have a quick listen. Here's the rewind button. Go to the beginning. So it's going to start at bar 1. Let's have a listen. I'm happy with that. That sounds very good together. But I'm feeling that it feels a little bit slow at the moment. The tempo is a little bit slow. If I look up here, I can see that the tempo is 73 BPM, which stands for beats per minute. So I'm going to try and double click and change 73 to, let's try 80 beats per minute, and I'm going to press enter or return. It's asking me a question about audio stretching. Would you like to adjust the existing audio regions from 73 beats per minute to 80 beats per minute? And I've got a choice: don't adjust, cancel, or adjust. So I'm going to say yes, adjust. There it is. And now we can see it's 80 beats per minute. If I want to play from bar 5, I can click it there. It's still feeling a little slow, so I'm going to go up another 5 beats per minute to 85 BPM. Enter. Once again, audio stretching, adjust. Let's try it now. Starting from bar 5, click play. I think I'm happy with that for the time being.